Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
After you have finished creating your initial vendors within the QuickBooks company file, you should then enter any clients and cases who owed you money as of the start date of your company file. You can always add additional clients and cases as the need arises later on. Note that clients are often referred to within the QuickBooks program as customers, while your cases, matters, and projects are collectively referred to as jobs. Therefore, you enter both your clients and cases as customers and jobs into the customer job list within QuickBooks. To enter your clients into QuickBooks, please review the lesson titled The Customers and Jobs List in Chapter 3 of the QuickBooks Desktop Pro Manual. To enter your cases into QuickBooks, please review the lesson titled Creating a Job in Chapter 18 of the QuickBooks Desktop Pro Manual to learn how to enter jobs for customers into QuickBooks. When creating the cases or projects and matters as the jobs within the New Job or Edit Job window, you should note that it's very common for a single case to have multiple billing rates. You may also have differing rates for each client or case. You should take advantage of the custom fields within the customers list to create multiple custom fields such as partner rate and paraprofessional rate, for example. You should review the lesson titled Using Custom Fields in Chapter 3 of the QuickBooks Desktop Pro Manual to review the process for creating custom customer fields if needed. You can enter these rates into the Additional Info tab when creating a new job to show the various rates available for that client or case when creating invoices. This lets you easily override the default billing rate associated with the line items for a specific case when creating invoices for this matter in the future. You should also add these custom billing rate fields to your invoice templates so they will appear when performing data entry within the invoice template, but will not appear in the printed version you send to clients. To learn how to add custom fields to invoices, you should review the lesson titled Performing Advanced Customization in Chapter 17 of the QuickBooks Desktop Pro Manual. When customizing the invoice, click the Header tab to show any custom customer fields you have created. You can then check the screen checkbox next to those client billing rate fields so that they will be available on screen when creating the invoice. This will allow the user who creates the invoices to see the rates available for the case and override the line item rates if needed, but not display those rates on the printed copy that you send to the client.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.